The lion is the king of the jungle, but these animals can kill a lion. Wait for number 4. Number 1. African elephant. One hit from an elephant can crush a lion instantly. Lions avoid adults and only target calves. Number 2. Rhinoceros. A charging rhino can flip a lion into the air. Even a pride won't risk a full attack. Number 3. Cape buffalo. The Black Death. Buffalo kill more lions than any other animal in Africa. They attack in groups and never forgive. Number 4. Hippopotamus. Hippos look calm, but they're extremely aggressive. One bite can split a lion in half. Number 5. Crocodile. Near water, crocodiles have the advantage. One surprise attack, and the lion has no escape. Number 6. Hyenas. In large clans, one hyena loses, but 20 hyenas? Even lions back down. So, is the lion really the king? Comment which animal surprised you the most